So you guys have been asking me this, will the Asian bulls pump up the cryptocurrency market? And honestly, there's no better place to find out what the vibe is in Hong Kong and, well, general broader Asia than Hong Kong FinTech Week. You can actually see it's packed with people in suits. This is organized by the Hong Kong government. So this is the Treasury Bureau Investment, the Securities and Futures Commission in Hong Kong. This event has been around for a long time, getting traditional money. Now, what's different about this year, I'll show you guys, but what's different about this year is there's a lot more discussion about Web3. So if you just look at the logos here, you can see the traditional ones, right? This is like the traditional money, right? The traditional billions and trillions of dollars that piles up in Hong Kong. Traditionally, it's been, HSBC, Bank of China, Standard Chartered, but this year, we're seeing a lot more different logos up here. So we have crypto.com over there. We have Hashkey, which is the group that is launching the first licensed exchange in Hong Kong. We'll cover a lot more about that because this is super exciting. The way they're approaching this launch of the exchange is like it's aggressive, and it's really about moving institutional money, big money, into crypto. So I'm pretty excited to see what this is. And you can just tell that the people in suits, they're not coming here to find out about HSBC, right? No one cares about HSBC. We already know about HSBC. People are very curious about what is happening with blockchain. So let's go inside and find out what's happening. All right, so we got a team here. Long time no see. Media pass. Oh shit, Ron. Ron's got a actual pair of pants right now.
Exactly.
He tried to come into this event with shorts. Didn't really work that well, huh? All right.
Oh. Hey, Michael, because I was holding the camera, they didn't scan my thing because they're like, okay, you're free to go.
Nice. Look at the banks.
Yeah.
Got digital currency innovation, baby. The E-Red.
Wow, it's actually
CNY.
super legit.
Yeah.
Because the one in Web3 Festival, there's no, very few banks, I'd say.
Yeah. This is this is Hong Kong government, right?
Yeah.
So
we're talking about old money here.
Old money. Old traditional money. It's good to have Ron's perspective. Because it's like,
Sandbox.
Okay, Sandbox VR, let's go, Sandbox. Oh, but I really have gaming here. Let's check out the Animuka booth. Oh, hey, it's Yacht. Hello, how are you? Good to see you. Yeah, hi. How's it? Is it an exciting event for you guys?
Yeah, it's very exciting. There's a lot of people this year.
Yeah.
I think people are quite happy with
But
the
it's
different
interesting,
games.
right? Because these are more traditional finance people, right? So it's like their first time playing a game or something,
I agree.
Yeah, you agree? Okay, all right.
I agree. It's funny because I think the arcade type of setting that we've put is attracting the people, and the games are quite fun.
Right, and it's a breath of fresh air because I guess it's all banks around you guys, so right? Like it's City
the only
Group,
gaming.
It's the only gaming one, but it's like bringing financial people and the banking sector together. So that's very interesting. I'm very surprised that there's like.
Yes, I think you should try out our different games.
Oh, sure, we'll do that. That's amazing. So what's big next for Animoca?
I think we're still trying to build our different games and trying to push the blockchain industry in general further away. But trying to focus more on developing our different games for
That's
now.
Good. That's good.
Yes.
I think that's core, right? And it's looking fantastic. And I feel like this is quite interesting because I think Hong Kong people, they want to invest in something, right? Like I see people like so interested. Like there's so people asking so many questions, and I think that's exciting. So really good job, guys. Good job.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Oh, you've got Hashkey.
Hashkey.
Let me see if I can. Hi. Michael, nice to meet you. So Hashkey, you guys are doing the first registered licensed exchange in Hong Kong.
Yes.
Can you tell me a little bit about the whole boarding process? So is it open to retail, institutional investors? What's happening here?
Yeah, so we are open to the retails, the PI, professional investors, and
Right.
institutions.
I guess in terms of the coins trading, how many coins do you have trading so far?
For the retails, we only have two.
Two.
Yeah.
Two.
Just retails, yeah.
Right. Which
Because,
ones? Okay, obviously.
BTC and Ethereum.
Okay.
Actually, there are rules from the SFC
Right.
how to list the coins to the retails.
Right,
So we
right.
have three conditions.
Right.
The first one, this coin have to has 12 months history
12
in the
months
market.
Okay, right,
yeah.
right. But that's not too bad. That's not too bad. Okay.
Yeah. The second one is this coin should be listing them in the main index, such as stock index and other famous index. You have been listed on this index.
Oh, okay,
the reason
okay.
is this index will evaluate the trading volume, the
Right.
holders quantity, and the other factors.
Right.
Actually, this is meant to protect the users,
Right,
the
right.
retailers.
So, not too many new coins coming in, right,
Yeah.
basically.
The third is they have to prove it by themselves.
Right. So I guess in terms of launching the coin, I actually see you guys also have your own hashy token on there. Is that right?
Yeah, we have the HSK.
Okay.
Actually, it's a token based on Ethereum, but it's different with other tokens because we are not allowed to sell these tokens to the retailers.
Okay.
It's mainly for user incentive.
So people get it, then what can they do? Can they sell it? Can they?
Yeah, after we list it, the
Okay.
users can trade it and sell it.
Interesting. So that's a very interesting strategy. So you chose to have a token with the exchange. That's actually a very aggressive strategy too. I kind of find like
As a company.
As a company, yeah, that's actually quite interesting. Can you talk about when you can list a token or how that will work?
So we have launched the roadmap yesterday.
Okay.
So we probably listed this token in next year.
Okay, so it will be a year after everything.
Yeah.
Right. Got it. So I'm really excited to see what's going to happen, and I hope to keep you in touch, Mark.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Cool. That's actually quite interesting because like, honestly, I didn't expect them to go so aggressive with launching. The first exchange, usually they go through a lot of scrutiny.
Yeah.
So launching with a token or any form of token will be very, very aggressive, right?
Yeah.
And I feel like that's the aggression coming through for
It's
this.
the Binance model.
Huh?
It's the Binance model.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Right. And normally, like you think about all these big exchanges, right? Like Coinbase, right? Kraken. They usually don't launch with a token, but these guys are going full aggressive. So
Yeah.
that's crazy.
Is it Michael?
Yes. Hi.
I think I saw you somewhere before.
Probably on YouTube or something. So Toby here, he's from Hashkey. He's in charge of localization.
Yeah.
So what do you do in localization?
Actually, anything that related to the local community. I will try to bring Hashkey to the main public.
The main
I mean,
public.
outside of the crypto world. But
Yeah.
my job is bring it up to the whole Hong Kong investment community and stuff.
And what do
the
you
mass
think is
market.
the kind of the tone right now? Because infamously there was JPEGs, kind of
Yes.
ruined the crypto
Reputation.
for a while. But do you think that it's kind of returning? Do you think there's more people coming back? What's happening?
I think the main concern is that the market is not being so active. Not only the crypto market, but also the traditional investment market.
Right.
So the people, they're not willing to put money into investment or long-term stuff for right now. I think that's one of the reasons we are hard to explore the market. But I believe that once the economic start coming back, like everyone's making money, they're willing to spend.
And that's actually quite interesting because traditionally this conference has been very finance-based, right?
Yeah.
So we see the big banks and everything
Yes.
here. But I actually see most of the interest, the people are flooding into the Web3 stuff, which is actually quite good, right?
Yes.
And what you're saying is also quite true, right? Like people, they don't want to deploy right now,
Yeah.
right? But they
They're
want to
interested.
learn. They want to learn.
That's what I'm here for. After the FinTech Week, most of my work are 80% education. I go to different people and different education centers to partner with them and give them talks about how to enter the crypto world safely.
Right,
What is
right.
regulation? Why do we need
Right.
a regulator and
Right.
stuff?
Okay, amazing, man. I hope to see you soon. I hope to see you everything. I'm really excited to see what's happening.
Yes.
Hey, Kenny. Kenny, how are you, man? Yeah, it's been a long time. So, we have the legendary poker player, Kenny Shi. Okay, so Kenny, how's it been? We met like literally 5 years.
5 years,
years ago.
Good
And
to see you
then
again.
you've been through quite a lot of the Hong Kong regulation. You've been running exchanges, but
Yeah.
what's your take right now on the current situation that's happening in Hong Kong?
Well, it's awesome that the government, Hong Kong government, is really embracing Web3.
It's different, right?
more-
Because you were trying to do exchanges in Hong Kong prior to this kind of opening up. So
sure,
it's a
sure,
very
sure.
different time. Now it's like do it.
Dude,
please.
yeah. I would say like 2-3 years back, it was more talk and more kind of trying to figure things out and and wait and see approach, then now I think there's been a lot of resources put into fintech and also Web3.
Right. And I can see by this event, like the people are actually literally going only to the Web3. Like, I think Citigroup and stuff, I guess, like boring, right? But it's like it's all the Web3 people coming in.
Sure, like for instance, like all the Cyberport backing, a lot of different Web3 companies, and even like there's like different government funds, like sizable. I've heard like $25 million funds like deployed to like Web3 companies, like
That's
things
crazy.
like that nature.
That's
So,
crazy. So the Asian bulls are coming.
Yeah, well, it's good.
Absolutely.
It's very, very positive.
How's working with institutional people? Because Hong Kong has traditionally very safe. Like Hong Kong capital has always been very safe and not touching crypto. Do you think it's changing? The tones are changing.
In these last 3 years, all the institutional traders are in crypto, right?
Yeah.
I mean, name it, like Jane Street Tower, all these, like Jump, obviously,
Right,
they're all in,
right.
in some capacity. Some are starting to ramp up a little bit more, but they're definitely, from a trading perspective, though, and so, obviously with what happened with centralized exchanges more recently, FTX, et cetera, like they're more, they want to do more things on chain and more, non-custodial setup. So that's where we kind of come in. What we're building will disrupt the current TVL of DeFi because
there's more money, it's different money coming in.
Yeah.
Right, because like DeFi 2020 was really just crypto people moving their money around, right?
Yeah.
And now it's traditional people moving money around. So I think
that's where we're going to really help scale things. Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah. So
we'll hope to see you soon, man.
do it, man.
All right.
Awesome. Awesome to see you.
Awesome to see you, man.
Yeah.
Cheers. Hey, there's a regulator zone.
Regulator zone.
I have no clue. You want to get an NFT? Can we get an NFT? All right. Okay, we get an NFT.
So I get a free NFT, yeah?
Why is the monetary authority issuing out NFTs? Like, what's the reasoning behind it?
It's celebrating the FinTech Week, yeah. This is a special
Can we
edition.
sell it? Is it worth like 1 or 2 ETH?
I don't know. You have to check.
Look, this is what it looks like.
Oh, yeah, that's what it looks like. Cool. Cool. What blockchain is it on?
Oh, blockchain.
Polygon.
Polygon.
Yes.
Oh, nice. Really. It's interesting because it's a government agency issuing out NFTs. Like this, I wouldn't have imagined this in a million years. But like Hong Kong Monetary Authority is not like I wouldn't view them as like super hip or trying to get into this NFT thing. I thought they'll be more like let's just stay with traditional
stable.
Stable.
I think it's the concept itself that a regulatory body
They will
will
issue out an
to
NFT.
step into it. Yeah.
Because Americans are just like, get the hell out, get the hell out.
Yeah,
But
and in Hong
Kong's like,
Kong,
yo, we'll give you
welcome,
NFTs.
welcome.
We'll give you NFTs.
Just come over.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So honestly, I really want to wrap this video up and just send it to you guys today because I feel like there's an urgency for you guys to see what is happening already. And also, I was just very surprised that there was so much government work done with blockchain. It's just such a big contrast because what's happening in America is they're just saying no blockchain. Like they're trying to like send this to hell, right? But at the same time in Asia, it's like the monetary authority itself is issuing out NFTs. This is not like a small government. This is the monetary authority. So I just couldn't have imagined this, 5-10 years ago. Where there's just such a strong embracement. And just now we just finished a talk with the transition for Hong Kong MPF. So this is where it's a kind of social security, the fund for social security, the Hong Kong version, that's going to be transitioning onto blockchain, right? I feel like there's just a strong government mandate across the whole of Hong Kong to embrace blockchain, right? So it's not like a small, push, and every single department seems to have to do something related to blockchain, moving their core services or something there. So that's a huge change. And secondly, what's also interesting is embracement of public blockchains. Because we were discussing a lot earlier that probably 2 or 3 years ago, private blockchains will probably be how government and traditional services are being used. But here you see Polygon being used. That's crazy. So there's just so much that's being built, and even here you can just see North Bank, ERC20 token, and this is full embracement of blockchain, and this is a sign of what's to come. So I'm really excited to share this with you guys today, and really the path it's really a marathon for this. These institutions, it's not super immediate, but what I see is like we're laying some crazy foundations for full adoption of blockchain, or as Hong Kong calls it, Web 3.0.
Michael, what does your pass say?
Speaker! Also, yeah, I'm speaking here on this stage tomorrow, so we're gonna pack this stage. So please pack this stage tomorrow, the Hong Kong and GBA stage. We're doing the panel discussion with talking about the future of blockchain. So, hey, let's go to OK. See if they're okay.